Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Tech Videos. In this video we are sharing with you how to blend two pictures together in Photoshop very easy way. So keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. First open Adobe Photoshop, go to File option, select Open option, shows the background photo. Again go to File option, select Open option, shows the main photo. Press Ctrl plus a key. Again press the Ctrl plus C key for copy this image. Then click on the background image, and press Ctrl plus V key. Now press Ctrl plus D key for free transform. Adjust image with background. Select the eraser tool from the left panel. Remove extra area from your image. Press second brackets for increase brush size. After removing extra area, click on the layer option. Click on the opacity arrow icon and decrease opacity. Again remove extra area using eraser tool. You can use overlay option for blend. I hope you enjoy this simple video. Share this video with your friends want to know how to blend two pictures together in Photoshop. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more Photoshop tutorials videos, and thumbs up like button.